This is Braggins Adventures.
Hi friends, Alan Braggins here with Braggins Adventures Quick Stops. We're here in the city of Turner Valley, Alberta, Canada, and we're here at the Eau Claire Distillery. Come on along.
Okay, Alan's gonna try the first gin that we're gonna be trying today.
Okay, this is the Flourish Gin. It's a standard gin, so I'll try it. Oh, it's very, very floral. Sweet on the tongue. Nice aromatic aftertaste. It's a very good gin. Okay, so this is their parlor gin. It's made with Alberta Saskatoon berries. So I'm gonna try that one next. It's juniper forward, has sweet on the tongue and a good aftertaste. I think it'd be good with some tonic. Perfect.
Okay, this is their cherry gin. It's made with sour cherries and about 12 botanicals, and it would make a great gin fizz. So they say. I think I get more of the botanicals than I do the actual cherry. It's a very good gin.
Okay, so I'm going to try the Earl Grey gin. Very smooth. It gives you that Earl Grey tea experience. It's a really good gin.
Okay guys, this is their honey gin. There's not much written about it, but we're going to see what it tastes like. It does have a sweetness to it, but I honestly don't know if it's honey or not. They said it was a honey gin. It's actually pretty good, even not knowing what it actually might have in it.
And finally, this is their Hawthorn gin, made with the hawthorn berry. This is a very good gin. I like the berry flavor in it. It's a keeper. So that was our visit to Eau Claire Distillery here in Turner Valley, Alberta. When you're in the neighborhood, be sure to stop in. We did a gin flight. We loved it. Every gin we tried. I also tried the rye and ended up with a bottle to take home. Great little shop, great people here. Come on by. See you on the next adventure.